Hey, good morning, guys. Hey, I am starting this video. I had to scratch. I had started about 6:30 this morning, but I had to scratch that video because it cut off on me. I had ran out of file size in the middle of it, and it cut off on me. So, so yeah. You know, part of that day is pretty much gone. Pretty much to recap the day, I set up my lines already, and I had started some trading. Haven't been doing very well. I started off with 1,170 something dollars around there. Now I'm at 1,122. Um, haven't been I haven't been very disciplined today. I think I had messed up and put in the wrong entry. Well, I put in the right entry, but at the wrong entry point. I think I looked at the candle wrong, put the entry point in wrong. I put it in about 15 pips smaller or less than I wanted to for a sell position. I'm sorry, for a buy position. And anyway, so I broke management, price management or money management, and and waited for it to go back up to where I wanted it to put the price in, and then I put it in there. But no, needless to say, I ended up losing both of those, and I had to make up for it by breaking even more money management. So, I mean, luckily it worked out okay for me, where I'm roughly right around the same amount that I started with. But I'm starting fresh now, so this is gonna be so I'm kind of gonna brush all that off and start fresh, be disciplined. We're our first amount is $107.36. That's what we're going to be trading with today, and going off of that based off of wins and losses. So just wanted to update you on that, and let's see what we can get. Move this to our line so we can kind of see what's going on here. You see that this one broke, or the new hour is it looks like whenever that new hour ends, we're going to have to adjust our line on that. But for now, this is the support line right here. All right, so nothing's going on there, and one, two. There is a resistance line here as well. Oh no, there's not. There's no resistance there. All right, so let's keep looking. We'll start from the beginning. AUDCAD. So this one, it did break the resistance. Um, so so yeah, and there's no new resistance line. There's no new support line either. So I'm gonna uncheck this one because it's no longer any good. Euro CHF. This one, it looked like it broke, and then it came back, and now it's like pretty much sitting on that line for the last 7 hours. But this second candle did finish above, so like the new resistance is really right here. Bear with me, guys. I need to take this call. All right, I'm back. Just had to take that phone call. I was able, while I was on the phone, I was able to see, um, a couple of opportunities. I'm not sure if I hit that the 107.36 one. I don't think I hit it while I was recording. So yeah. Anyway, I saw that. So I put 15-minute trades in based on the volatility on this market. It looks like, if you 15 minutes is the ideal spot before it jumps back up there. So like if you notice on these other ones, 15 minutes is a good one. It hit there, then it dropped back down. In 15 minutes, it was down. This next one, it got crept up there, started dropping down for 15 minutes. It dropped down for the next 15 minutes. Up here, right here, It went through, pushed through, but then the next 15 minutes it dropped down. So that's what I'm thinking here. It pushed through, so it pushed through right here, but it hit here and then it pushed through right here. So my hope is for the next 15 minutes it's going to start dropping down. Follow that pattern. These are 15-minute trades, so they are shorter trades. So we'll see. This will be my first trade, my first primary trade. I still have, 2 more secondary trades that I could do. So let me just browse real quick, see if I can find any other opportunities. All right, so this one broke through, but then it broke back through again. So we would pretty much have to recreate the lines on this one. Recreate the support. Oh, but I really can't. Yeah, you can't recreate the support on this one, because when you go to hour, you see that it's way down here, which is it's unrealistic that it's gonna go back down there compared to the rest of the candles. So I'm not even gonna. Yeah, I'm not even gonna. I mean, yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it, because it throws off the accuracy. I just want to look at this one just to make sure that we don't have action on it. We don't have action on the floor, but we do have action on the, at least for now, for the next 8 minutes, we have actions on the resistance, but in the next 8 minutes, it's not going to be up there, so I'm not worried about it right now. Bear with me, guys. All right, back, guys. Let's see what we got going on. I don't know if we're looking at this. It's an hour time frame. Yeah, I mean, I'm not seeing anything on this one. Do we even have this favored? Well, let me see. 1, 2, for the next hour, or the next minute. This new one here. It is kind of. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. So this next candle will give us a resistance line, but not a resistance line we can use anytime within the next minute. It would have to be for the next hour. And support, it's already kind of broken through any support that was available. So we'll come back to this one. Let's see how our trade is doing. Okay, so we're winning the trade. I think we had 2 trades here. We're only winning by a little bit. I don't like it. I don't like that. I mean, how much time do we have left on this one? 3 minutes left. What is going on? So this is our second trade. Did the first trade win? No, the first trade lost. Ew. And the second trade is getting this close, Okay, so let's look at it. Euro CHF. I didn't have time to look at it. I was on that phone call. Euro CHF. All right. So it's playing around at the support. I wonder what happened, because I mean, if I recall, I put it on the line for the last candle. It's 5-minute candles. All right, so yeah, so it is above right now. I probably should have done 20 minutes. Probably should have done 20 minutes. Yeah. All right. Well. Yeah, lesson learned. I do probably need to stick with 20-minute candles. I mean, regardless, if I see that it's possible to win in 15 minutes based off of what's done in the past, it's just safer. I mean, for it to go the direction that you're wanting, that you're thinking that it's going to go, if you just give the full amount of time to it. And the full amount of time is 20 minutes right now. By the time, a couple months go by, it might change. It might be even longer. But 20 minutes has been working out pretty good when it comes to a time frame. Once you hit 5-minute candles, but it all varies. We're down to a minute left, and it's not going our way right now. This is Euro CHF. So let's look at TradingView right now. And again, this is just so that if because it's so close, it's possible that it could be a little bit different. So 92632, 9262 right now. So let's look at this one. This one's 9263, 9262. So yeah, it's close enough, 9263. So yeah, it's not. It's following it pretty good, 9263. We're down here at 926. Probably 926 something, 925 maybe. Yeah, so we end up losing that one also. Let's see where we had 92595, and looking at here at the real market, it's 926.364. So we legitimately lost that one. Now that was a 15-minute one as well. Looking at this candle, it did break out, and because it broke out, and then you get a hammer candle. The next candle right here, this candle is a hammer candle, which is an indicator that it will continue to go up. So yeah, that's not good. It's a bad start, rough start. We're on our next primary, which is 2684. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the day, and we'll come back a little bit later on today. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey guys. Hey, so I'm about to take off here, but I do see opportunity on this one. If you look, we see a green line right here. This green line, it's pretty much been touching that. Every candle's been touching that green line and then clearing above it. By a decent, this one cleared above it by a lot. This one cleared above it by a lot. This one cleared above it by a lot. This one didn't clear above it by a lot, cleared above it. And this one looks like it's going to clear above it by a lot as well. So that's 5 candles in a row that have cleared above it. So, this will be a short play, but it's an opportunity. It wouldn't be a 15-minute opportunity. You would probably do 10 minutes on it. You will wait till the candle gets down here, under, and then go ahead and put in a play for 10 minutes. It's a little bit shorter than I like, but it should follow this trend for a little bit, I think. Since it's not playing on it broke this is a breakthrough, right? It broke through, so it hasn't had a chance to find another, to find any real consistency. So so pretty much, when you don't see anything that you can play on an hour time frame, you can go down to smaller time frames. Like the next time frame would be a 30-minute time frame. If you can find anything on that, then you could try a 15-minute time frame. This one's a 5-minute time frame, which is a more risky of a play. But it just started, and I mean I can see it. I can see it paying off for me if I do a 10-minute trade with this uptrend that's going on here. So all of them, well, most of them fell through. So what I'm gonna do my primary trade, which is $26.84 when it touches, and it's touching now. So go ahead and do that. It's a 10-minute trade. I'm not going to do another one because I'm not going to do another trade on here because since this is a more risky one, that's not, you don't want to put more than one trade on it. Plus I'm down to my last $26.84. So I need to win one of these. So, you know, if this one doesn't come from me or come in for me, then I wouldn't want to have $26.84 to play somewhere else, right? So this is 5 minutes. Let's see how it works. We'll keep an eye on it. Forgive me if I sound like I'm out of breath a little bit. I try to work out a little bit during my my pre-trip on the truck. So I did some push-ups just now and I'm a little bit out of breath. Okay, so let's just look at these here. And it's good, 85%. I didn't look again before I put the trade in. I didn't see what it was. Alright, so this one, let's see. I mean, it broke through. So the new trend lines will need to be set on this one. Let's see if we see any hour. Yeah. So this trend line went down. I mean, yeah, that's still not very accurate because of this one right here. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So no, I wouldn't even play this one because it's not. We would need a better trend line to play it. Okay, I think we already. Yeah, I think we looked at this one before. This was the upside down one that broke up. So we shouldn't play this one either. I need to be unchecking these. Did I uncheck the last one? No, I didn't. Uncheck it real quick. Right. So this one, it broke it and then it went right back down. And now it looks like it's going to break it again. Okay, I think this is good. I mean, let me look at 5 minutes. I think it's going to go back down. I mean, it broke through, and then it came right back down. I mean, did it make a new support line yet, or a new resistance line? It has. And that resistance line is up here now. So, yeah, I wouldn't play it. Even though you look here and you see it's like, if you look at, if you if you look there, it hits there, but because of that huge candle breaking out, it's not safe to play. So I'm gonna uncheck this one. Yeah, this one's not good either. It's good support now, though. It is good for support. It's not good for resistance anymore. So we'll see if it hits there again. I'll keep it checked for now. What's going on here? No, it's not good for either one. Well, it is good for support. It is good for support, actually. Here and here. So it went through support already once. It might go through again. We'll keep it ready just in case. Let's see how this trade is doing. All right, so far we're in the. We have 5 minutes left on it, and it's so far so good. All right. All right. So this one's getting close to this line. Let me go to 5 minutes. Yeah, it's really close. I might do a 20-minute trade on this one. Well, let me see. 15 or 20. It hits it, then pops right back up. Hits it, pops right back up. Yeah, 15 minute. 15 minute is, I mean, yeah. It looks like 15 minutes is good because if I do 20, it might be too long, so I might start going back down again. So let's let it hit it. It looks like it goes through also. So let's let it go through, and then do 15 minutes. That's fine. All right, so that's my last trade that I can do before something comes in. So I think that's good. I mean, you look at it. 15 minutes seems pretty good. 15 minutes is up there. I know I said I learned not do 15 minutes, but you just looking at the trend. Like sometimes 20 minutes is too long. Sometimes it can be too long based on the trend. So after this candle closes, the next candle should be a green candle, based off of what has been happening before. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'll catch you back on the road. All right, hey, I'm just gonna get back in here to see what is going to happen here with that trade, that initial one. See if we're still up on it. So real quick, this one here is down right now, which is fine. That one still has some time. Oh, and the other one already closed, I guess. Ooh, goodness gracious, it's not good. Okay, that was our third one, our third loss. That one did not come in for AUD, USD. How much did we lose by? 17 points. What? Oh, Euro CHF. Let's see how much we lose by. We lost by 28 points on that one. Euro CHF. I'm just gonna look at it real quick. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. So it dropped, and then I mean, I can't remember where we put it. We must have put it in right here, but that next candle just dropped like crazy and messed us up. Messed us all the way up. 15 minutes might have gotten us. A 15-minute candle might have done us right, because I think we did a 10-minute candle on that one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we did 10-minute candle. Yeah, minute 10. Yeah. See, those short-term trades, they're just not as they're not as predictable. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty sad. It waited till we decided we wanted to trade it, and then it wanted to go down. If we did 5 minutes, it might have worked though, because it was above. This candle was above. I believe we did it right here on this candle, on this one right here, and then this candle here cleared above, and then this candle dropped dramatically. That was our 10-minute candle, dropped dramatically. Now you see it's right back up where we had predicted it would be up above that, and so anyway, so sad. So now we're looking at this one. This one is 40 points now. 7 minutes left. We'll keep it up. See what happens. If we end up losing that one, then we're done for the day. AUD, what is it? AUD USD. And is that 50%? Is it? Do we get in on it at 50? We got in on 57%. See? Keep on doing the same nonsense. Keep on doing the same crap. I shouldn't have played that. I need to figure out how to fix that, because I mean, you can't stay profitable if you're, at 50, 57%, 60%, 65%, even, anything under 70% is not good when it comes to profitability, playing these things. That's pretty sad. Okay, I'll come back. I'll talk to you here soon. Hey guys, so we are back. Just want to tap in with you. We got 17 seconds left on this one. 12 seconds left, and we are in the red. Doesn't look like today's gonna be our day. So yeah, I mean, and again, some days that's going to be the case. We're not going to win every single game, every single day. Today, it seems like it was a loss. We lost 4 in a row. Yep, 1, 2, 1, 4 in a row. And we lost this one by 16 points. Lost this one by 28 points. This one by 38 points. This one by 36 points. So they were all pretty decisive losses. So I mean, I can't be mad, because it wasn't within the 10 pip or 10 point window that I believe that this platform can play with. To manipulate you for a loss. So I can't blame anybody besides myself for it, which is good. That means I just have to get better. But because I'm using proper money management, I used proper money management at that time, I didn't see such a big loss. I started off with about 1140, I believe, around there and there. I'm at 907 now. So that's about maybe 200 and started off 1140, now it's 907. So yeah, that's so yeah, about 200 and that's like $230 or something like that, which is more than I'm doing triple the amount that I normally do, trying to see if I can triple this amount of money. So, or in a quicker time frame. Don't really need to do that, but I've already started doing it, so I'm gonna play this experiment out to the end. But still, with proper money management, still, I mean, I can suffer. I can suffer like another maybe 3 losses and three losing days before I see about $500 or so, $400 in there. So yeah, it is good money management, and you should have more winning days than losing days if you know what you're doing. So you just have to stick to it.
In half a mile, slight right.
Today wasn't good for me. That's all that means. All right.
0.3 miles ahead. Turn right on frontage road I-10
we're on this journey together. So you guys stay safe. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Turn right on frontage road I-10 service.